Built on strong systems, modern infrastructure and reliable service, MK Food Line is a trusted food supply and distribution partner for the hotel, restaurant and catering industry, supporting food businesses with consistency and confidence. But this strength did not come overnight. The foundation of this journey goes back to 1941, when a small trading business began in Palanpur, driven by trust, honesty and hard work. More than 85 years, the business has grown across generations. Today, it is led by the fifth generation, carrying forward legacy values with a modern and professional approach. Understanding the growing needs of the food service industry, MK Food Lines established in Ahmedabad with a clear focus on the HoReCa sector.
MK Food Line Private Limited is a company built for HoReCa, where we supply all your kitchen needs under one roof. We simplify sourcing by bringing multiple brands along with our own brand called Foodia.
With years of successful supply to hotels, restaurants and caterings, MK Food Line expanded its journey by launching its own brand, Foodia. Today, Foodia offers a wide range of solutions: ready-to-eat retort products, Foodia branded grocery products and a complete grocery portfolio for HoReCa. All Foodia products are 100% vegetarian.
At Foodia, we offer grocery, spices, dry food, tin food, ready to eat, ready to cook, in retort and frozen format, and many more.
At Foodia, quality is not a promise, it is a system. Every process begins with controlled entry, material inward, and strict quality checks. Inside the production area, our team follows defined food safety protocols with proper uniforms and sanitization, ensuring hygiene at every step. Production is carried out using modern machinery and standardized processes designed to maintain taste, nutrition, and safety. From research and preparation to cooking and processing, every stage is closely monitored by trained teams. Foodia produces a wide range of food products, including retort products and frozen products, available in both ready-to-eat and ready-to-cook formats. For frozen products, freshly prepared food is processed and then passed through cold blast freezing, locking in freshness, taste, and quality. Retort products then undergo the retort process, where food is cooked and sterilized under controlled temperature and pressure, ensuring long shelf life without compromising quality. Packing is done with precision, accurate weighing, hygienic filling, and secure sealing in Foodia retort pouches and frozen product packs. Finished products are stored in organized areas, including dry stores, bulk warehouses, and temperature-controlled cold storage facilities for groceries, frozen products, and Foodia's own product range. From final storage to documentation, verification, and timely dispatch, every step follows a defined system, delivering safety, consistency, and reliability to every HoReCa partner. Foodia's quality standards are supported by recognized certifications and validated processes. Our industry presence is marked by participation in leading exhibitions.
Foodia represents our experience, understanding, and commitment to quality. We believe in growing together.
From a journey that began in 1941, Foodia today serves partners across global markets. Foodia, trusted food supply partner for HoReCa.